Easily make your 2024 highlights using these simple steps in Filmora Mobile. Open your Filmora Mobile app. Look for AI Beats feature.
Slow down.
Choose a music you want to use for your 2024 highlights, whether it's a stock media or from yours. I'm going to use this for our sample. You may also cut where you want the music to start. Tap Next, then select your photos or videos for your 2024 highlights. Much better if you already prepared them in one folder. After selecting your photos or videos, tap Generate. You will now wait and let AI sync your photos or videos to the beat, melody, or rhythm of your chosen music. You may still do some editing after AI generates your video. In this part, we will add a text or a title clip to show the year 2024. You may also use any other Filmora stock media for your highlights. Just go to Text and look for 2024 or 2025 title templates. I will use this one for this sample video. Adjust your chosen title clip and make necessary edits. You may also add a closing title clip like this: Happy New Year greetings. Adjust your generated video's audio to fit until the end. You may also want to add a fade-out effect. Last step is to add an effect to your highlights. I'll be using a VHS effect. Feel free to explore more of Filmora's stock effects for your videos. Adjust the effect until the end of your video. After those simple steps, you may now export and enjoy.